Educational Report: How to Dispute a Bankruptcy on Your Credit Report with LexisNexis. Introduction to the dispute process. In this video, the focus is on removing a bankruptcy entry from your credit report by effectively disputing it with LexisNexis. The process discussed here involves strategic and persistent efforts to ensure that LexisNexis acknowledges and removes the bankruptcy entry, which is often a significant hurdle for individuals trying to clear their credit reports. The dispute took several months and required multiple avenues of communication to achieve success. Footnote: the process of disputing a bankruptcy entry with LexisNexis can take months and requires persistence through various forms of communication. Step 1. Disputing with LexisNexis. The first step involves directly disputing the bankruptcy entry with LexisNexis. Unlike typical disputes with credit bureaus, this step bypasses the credit bureaus entirely. LexisNexis, as a data furnisher, maintains records of bankruptcies that are reported to the credit bureaus. Even though LexisNexis is not the bankruptcy court, they play a key role in reporting bankruptcy information. The individual uses a combination of dispute letters, phone calls, emails, and faxes to communicate with LexisNexis and press for the removal of the bankruptcy entry from their credit report. This multifaceted approach is essential for capturing the attention of LexisNexis and demonstrating the seriousness of the dispute. Footnote: disputing with LexisNexis is crucial since they serve as the primary data furnisher for bankruptcy information to the credit bureaus. Step 2. Preparing for Phase 2. Disputing with credit bureaus. After receiving the deletion letter from LexisNexis, the next phase is to take this documentation to the credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. This letter serves as valuable evidence, proving that the bankruptcy entry was not valid. The credit bureaus do not directly rely on PACER for bankruptcy information; instead, they obtain it from sources like LexisNexis. With the deletion letter in hand, the individual can now dispute the bankruptcy with the credit bureaus, ensuring that they remove the entry. This phase is expected to take an additional 30 to 45 days to process. Footnote: once LexisNexis removes the bankruptcy, the next step is to dispute the entry with the credit bureaus, providing them with the letter as evidence. Persistence and patience in the dispute process. The process of getting a bankruptcy removed from your credit report requires persistence. The individual emphasizes the importance of not giving up after initial rejections or delays. It is crucial to keep disputing and following up, as the process can be time-consuming and frustrating. Despite the setbacks, persistence ultimately leads to the desired result: the removal of the bankruptcy entry. The entire process took about 4.5 months to complete, from beginning the dispute with LexisNexis to successfully resolving the issue with the credit bureaus. Footnote: persistence is key in the dispute process, as consistent effort over several months is often required to achieve a favorable outcome. Encouragement and final thoughts. For those struggling with similar credit report issues, this video offers encouragement. The individual highlights that while the dispute process may feel overwhelming, success is possible as long as you continue to follow through. It is essential to stay patient and focused on the goal of clearing your credit report. The video concludes by offering assistance to viewers who may have questions about DIY credit disputes and encourages engagement through the comment section for further support. Footnote: persistence, patience, and strategic effort are necessary for resolving credit report disputes, but success is achievable with continued effort.